Your Royal Highness. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is the 13th of December 2021. As you can see, we are in the Muwah Palace. We'll be talking about the projects, the Muwah Palace projects under construction by Muwah. I'll be showing you some of the buildings. I'll be showing the Muwah Baptist Church, which is, as you can see, is right up there, looking good. I'll also be showing you the Crown Council of Princess Royal Court, which is this way, the right side of the Muwah Palace. Also, I'll be showing you the Great Ifonchang Royal Court and the Ifonji Royal Seke Conclave very soon. And I'll also be showing you the major palace central building, which is the Mokanda project. So ladies and gentlemen, I'll be showing you these various buildings very soon. But first, we're going to start with the Crown Council of Princess Royal Court. As you can see, the Muwah Palace, looking good. So ladies and gentlemen, right before us stands the Crown Council of Princess Royal Court. As you can see, it is under construction. Raised the walls already to the last level. You can see they have started roofing it. Almost getting through, as you can see. So this is it. I'll be showing you around the building. Yeah, before showing you inside, as you can see, this is the building. This is how it looks like. Looks round in shape. Spherical. As you can see, this is it. So I'll be showing the other side. So this is it. So now I'll be showing you the inside and how it looks like inside. This is it inside. Round. Looking nice. This is it. Looking good. And up. This is the roofing.